Here's a simple recipe that you can make at home. It's almost like being on the Amalfi Coast of Italy, where they're famous for their lemons. They make amazing lemon ice and limoncello. It's pretty easy to make your own limoncello. You start with organic lemons. If you have your own lemon tree, even better. You'll need about 10 large lemons, a zester, a large glass container, and a bottle of vodka. You can use 80 proof or 100 proof. I used 80 proof. You can get vodka at a great price at Costco. They have their own brand of Grey Goose and Tito's at a much better price than the name brands. You're only going to use the yellow part of the skin. Try not to get the pith in there. The white part is bitter. So pour all the yellow zest into a jar. Pour in about 1.5 liters of vodka and close the lid. You don't use any of the juice in this, but you can use that juice and save it in an ice tray and freeze it and use it later in lemonade or martini cocktails. Keep the jar in a cool, dark place. You can swirl it around every few days if you'd like. It takes 4 days to 1 month to extract the lemon flavor. At about 4 weeks, strain your limoncello into a pitcher. You'll need to get some small bottles. Amazon has nice ones that hold 12 ounces. Use a funnel to fill the small bottles to about 2/3. For traditional limoncello, you can make simple syrup. You use equal parts of sugar and water. You can try variations using honey and water in equal parts. Add a shot of creme de violette for hints of lavender. You can make your own labels if you're feeling crafty. Keep it refrigerated or in the freezer until you are ready to drink it. It's a tasty, refreshing drink to enjoy on a nice day with friends. You can mix it with Prosecco or make your own cocktail variation. Let me know in the comments what variations you've come up with. Thanks for watching. Chin chin!